goes to the corner. Tyler gets back on it. And he's fouled by Tristan Smith. The wrong ball picked up by Zerion Claxton. Moore crossing over down the lane. Tough. He's hit. He'll go to that line and shoot 2 shots. 5:36 to go. Yes, sir. Get that call. Harris pushing these spins. Finds Smith. Wraps around and finds the big fella Jackson. Good pass from Tristan Smith to James Jackson. Down the lane, good defense by Uzo. Finds Red, could he? No, too much. Rebound by Tristan Smith. Finds Isaiah Harris. Smith, he'll reset back up top to Isaiah Harris. Harris, he'll step into a 3, no. And John Uzo, the poster child. Could he shoot for 3? The wrong ball knocks down the long-range bomb. Zerion Claxton stepping through the lane. No, he's fouled. And put him on that line. He'll get 2 shots. Can't connect at that line. 4:25 to go in this third quarter. Moore, excuse me, down the lane. Sends to the corner, that's a good move. He'll let the forward and tip. By Tristan Smith, he gets a piece. And that's a good hustle. But that possession will go to the paint with long ball. 4 minutes and 9 seconds to go in this third quarter. Harris showing the handle. Tristan Smith down the lane. He's fouled. That'll send Tristan Smith to the line. He'll get 2 shots. Uzo down the lane. Sends it to the corner. He'll let it go for three. Can't connect. That's rebounded by Albermarle Patriots. And a missed communication. And a turnover. That was actually going back to LC Bird. 3:16 to go in this third quarter. Down the lane, stepping. And he's fouled by Isaiah Harris. Can't get that one to go. 3 minutes to go in this third quarter. Tricky Smith pushes. He finds Red. Excuse me. Red mid-range. Finds him in the corner. Yeah, serve for three. The big fella on Jaden Jackson. Knocks down. Triple lock. Oh, bad pass. And it's stolen by the Patriots. And they'll go the other way. Isaiah Harris finds that man. Claxton thought about it. Trinity Smith made a pick up his dribble. 2:20 to go in this third quarter. Claxton for three. A long range call from Azarion Claxton. Gets that goal from downtown. 1-point lead now for the Albermarle Patriots. Time was hard and everybody's there. And that's his time out. LC Bird will be right back with that action. Back to the action, back to it. Albermarle holding a small 1-point lead. Minute and 55 left in this third. The poster child, Uzo, takes it high. Williams thought about it. Down the lane. No, on the front line. And a zero on the basket. Hey, yes, sir. Ladies it in. 4-2. That'll push that Albermarle Patriot lead to 3. Minute 35 to go this third quarter. That's good action. They go to the poster child, John Uzo. Tyler for three. Minute 19 to go in this third quarter. Harris pushing that lane. Yes, sir. The play the roll finish. Gets that goal for 2. Moore trying to take some right on this possession. He'll let it fly. 4-2. Deron Moore. He said mid-range magic to fall. Skyhawks trying to up the defense. Claxton wide open for three. No, too much on that. And it's rebounded by Williams. Oh, and it's stolen by Azarion Claxton. The big fella Jackson with the touch. They need to set the goal. 4-2. 30 seconds to go in the third quarter. Deron Moore down the lane and trying to send it up top. It's turned over. Isaiah Harris. Isaiah Harris now fouled as he tried to step through the lane. And that foul is on Tristan Smith. The Skyhawks will take it out underneath. Another foul on Tristan Smith. Uzo stepping through, lays it in forward too. Poster time, John Uzo gets that goal. Harris finds Tristan Smith. And that's good defense. Smith stop top, let it rock. Can't get it to touch anything. 7:21 to go. Williams he'll let that fly. No, off the back iron. Can't complete that triple. Deron Moore, he'll reset. Moore crossing over. Finds Uzo. Uzo for three. Yes, sir. John Uzo, the poster child, next on the long range call. Thought about it. Harris down lane. Finds Jackson spinning. He's working. Big school. Mark Jalen Jackson gets that to go. He'll look combined for 1-4. Big school on Jalen Jackson. Completes the 3-point play. And that's a foul on Xavier Carter. Gavin Jackson staying with the LC Bird. 5-point lead, 6 minutes and 7 seconds to go in this ball game. Tyler down the lane with the floaters. No, too much. He was rebounded by Big School on Jalen Jackson. Gets another 5:50 to go in this one. Jackson did range magic. Big School gets that to go for 2. Here's 7-2-3. The ball range call gets that to go. If the LC Bird cuts to that lead, DJ Moneyman spinning that. Back to that action, 4-point lead for the Albermarle Patriots. When they play, they up the defense, the LC Bird out. It's over. Yes, sir. Kyle finds the post out. John Uzo for 3. Yes, sir. John Uzo connects from downtown. Uzo finally make it happen down the lane. That's good defense. Brad, give him still. And then Zerion Claxton. Hey! Triple line, baby. And Zerion Claxton gives up with a slam. 2:55 to go in this ball game. John Uzo for three. No, can't connect on a long range call. Trigger strip has it. And they found Isaiah Harris. 2:30 to go in this ball game. Isaiah Harris down the lane. Finds the mid follow. Jackson. Yes, sir. The reverse. Seriously, you said to go 4-2. Tyler with the crossover. Moore with that mid-range magic. Can't get that ball. And John Uzo fouled by Marquez Jackson. 2 minutes and 3 seconds to go in this ball game. And all ball reaches up 9. Uzo catch and shoot. Can't get that mid-range back to fall. Elsenberg gets it back. Tyler with the quick pass to Moore. In and out. Can't get it to go. Minute 45 to go. Radford showing the handle to the big front line. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, for 2. Jackson going crazy right now. It's 11-point lead for the Albermarle Patriots. Back to Uzo. Uzo for 3. In and out on the triple I say, can't get that ball. Minute 10 left to go in this one. Harris jumps down to the front line. Yes, sir. The big smooth. Marquez Jackson gets that goal. 4-2. Oh, now, watch your feet now. Tyler. Send it to the corner. Uzo. King Williams for 3. Can't connect. Uzo fouled by McConnell Rad. Gotta put Uzo on that line. He'll get 2 shots.
Everybody got a chance to whoop it on him and get back.
Can't connect that to mine. Albermarle crash up to this. We got a timeout from the Albermarle Patriots. Right back with it. 34 seconds to go. Albermarle. 1-12. That's a good defense by the Skyhawks. And they call for the foul.
Nobody can reach it. So Richmond team don't really baseball when you feel like maybe I'm just